Alright, y'all, I'm doing this quick. I got the grand finale, tube assortment, and the Uncle Sam assortment. All assortments. 1, 2, 3. Beep, beep, beep. Alright. Here is the tube assortment. I'm gonna get some more light in there. Okay, you got the number 500 silver crackle bomb. You got the number, select number 300 Empire Gold Willow Barrage. You got number 300 Rockefeller Gold Glaring Crescent. And you got the number 500 Red Waves Silver Peonies. And you got Pack of Mortars Festival Ball 6. You got the Wolf Pack High Performance Shells 6. You got 2 Magical Barrages 100 shots. You got these 4 smaller tubes, all number 5s, and it all comes in the tube assortment. Alright. Now the grand finale assortment, you got this 12 shot DEFCON alert. You got a 12 shot Rain of Fire. You got a 19 shot Arctic Blast. You got a 100 shot Saturn Missile. You got the Emerald City 16 shot. You got Walloping Warheads 12 shot. You got the Chinese New Year. I don't know how many shots is in there. 7 shot. You got Vapor Trails 96 shot. Fury Cloud. I don't know how many shots that is. You got this. Let me see what that is. 96 shot Pearl. You got the Kaleidoscope 8 shot. You got Garden and Spring 7 shot. And you got this 3-piece electric eel. Yeah, electric eel. 1 shot per one. Alright. Now, this is the Uncle Sam assortment. You got artillery shells, 6 pieces. You got rockets, Wolfpack. You got the mini shells, copperheads. You got a 25 shot Saturn Missile. You got Toot and Twirl 7 shot. You got a single shot number 5 Brigade to Green shells. You got the 36 shot Happy Planet. You got the 3-pack Roman Uncandle Whistle Royal Candles. You got probably like 6-pack of just regular bottle rockets. You got 2 packs of whistling bottle rockets. You got helicopters. This is B-3 bombers. You got a pack of 6 double parachutes. You got about 8 M88s. You got 2 tanks. Yellow jacket. I don't know how many shots it is, don't say. But you got some lady fingers, 5 packs. You got these little things. They look like bullets or a big ass pill. We got 2 of these. You got jumping jacks. About 10 packs of those. You got these ground balloons, 4-pack. You got the 48 shot Pearl. You got the Garden Spring. You got this. This is Air Defense 100 shot. You got 200 strips of Wolfpack. You got 12 packs of sparklers. We got this thing. I've never seen these before. It's a assorted floral shells. Get 4 packs of those. And you have these, which are baby sunflowers. And I think that's everything. And Got this triple loader, 6 shells in a kit. Got everything for $180. 3 assortments.
Up these stairs. One of the best surprises for us was when Anne led us up to the old attic. Stairs are very